Hey guys, my name is Paul and welcome back to another video where I'm going to be showing you how to create AI generated photos and art on your Android device using the Midjourney AI Discord server. Okay, so since you are going to be using the Midjourney AI Discord server, that means that the first step you have to do is download and install Discord on your Android device in case you don't have it. So you simply go to the Play Store and here you're going to search for Discord. Now, as you can tell, I already have this app installed on my phone, so I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you how to set this up. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Discord. It's right here. And if it's your first time you're going to register, it's very simple as long as you have an email. And if you're like me and you have an account, you simply go to this option of login. So I'm going to go ahead and log in right here. I input my email, but I'm not going to show you my email details. So let me input my email and the password, then I'll be back. Alright, so as you can tell, I've now logged in into my Discord. And the next step here is going to be joining the Midjourney AI Discord server. Now, in case you're not a member of this, simply open your browser like Chrome right here. And then you're going to search for Midjourney AI. As you can tell, it's right here. Now, the first result that is going to appear is going to be the Midjourney AI website. So simply go ahead and open it. And when the website opens, this is how it basically looks like. And the option to join the Midjourney AI Discord server will be the first option right here. It's showing the join the beta. It's right here, the first option, join the beta. So you tap on it and it's going to redirect you back to Discord. Now simply go to this option of accept invite. It's going to be the first option. So I'm now joining the Midjourney AI Discord server. Simply go here to confirm. Then we wait and join. Alright, so this is how the Discord AI server is going to be looking like. As you can tell, there's some art that is appearing. So when you see this, you immediately know you're in the right place, right? So next step is obviously creating the photos and art. So simply go to this options option right here. It's in the top left corner. So you tap on this options option right here. And then you're going to scroll down until you see this options of newcomer rooms. So there is newbies 41, newbies 11, and newbies 71. So you can join one of your choice. So I'm going to select newbies 41. So you tap on it right here. And when you join the newsroom, as you can tell, you're going to see a number of results or a number of photos that people are already generating on their own. So as you can tell, this right here is a sample of the photos that have been generated, right? So, well, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own now. Of course, you can create either by using text to image or by simply getting a photo of your own and converting it to some other AI image, depending on the commands you're going to put. Alright, so in order not to have your photos mixed up in all this mix, as you can tell, there are very many people generating their own photos. Simply, you're going to create a new thread. So you go to this thread option. It's the first option on your right, top right, first option. So you tap on it here, and they're going to be showing you threads. So go to this plus option to create your own. Then you're going to put a thread name. For instance, I can give this thread the name of Paul. Then to fully create it, go to send a message and send like a simple message like hi. So send this, and after that your thread is going to be created and you can start the entire process of creating your own images. Okay, so now here what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put a / like this. Then this is what you use to initiate a command. Then you go input a command of image. So as you can tell, it's on frequently used. You put image, then they're going to put a prompt, and prompt here is where you're going to put your command, right? So I can put a command. For instance, I can put 4K young boy wearing headsets. Then you can put another command that you want, maybe for instance, and holding a football. So I'm going to put this command and we are going to see the results that we are going to send. So when you're done with your command, simply go to send like this. So let's wait for the bot to send the message. So as you can tell right here, it's showing us 0% fast, and that means it's editing and processing our commands. So let's be patient and see the result. Alright, so at 62%, as you can tell, it has already started editing and processing our results. So let's wait for the final result right here. Alright, so this is our final result, and as you can tell, it has produced 4 different images. That's what it always does. And of course, there's also an option of making it produce 1 image. Then you can go ahead and download this image once it's ready and done, right? So now there's an option of download right here, and this one right here is going to be downloading these 4 images. Or you can choose to upscale one of the images. So for instance, I can choose to upscale image 1. You tap on U1 here. So it's going to upscale and produce for us one bigger image. Alright, so as you can see, it has upscaled, and now we finally have this one image. Of course, you can go ahead and edit it, or you can simply download. As you can see, there's a download option right here. Now that is the first option of text to image, but of course, like I've said, you can also input your image and choose to edit it. Now unfortunately, I'm not going to be showing you how to do that in this very video, maybe in my next one, because it's some long other process which I believe is going to make the video a bit longer. Otherwise, I catch you in the next one.